Breaking news. Business and Economics, Tuesday, September 28, 2022. Twitter rises in late trading after hearing in Musk case. A key Delaware hearing has begun Tuesday afternoon in the case of Twitter, NYSETWTR, versus Musk et.al., with no fewer than 8 legal issues on the table ahead of a trial that's now less than 3 weeks away that will establish what happens with Elon Musk's soured $44 billion deal to buy the company. In the Delaware Court of Chancery, Chancellor Kathleen McCormick is hearing lawyers for both sides argue for some major discovery motions, 3 from each side, a challenge from Musk's team on confidentiality redactions, and Morgan Stanley's, MS, opposition to a Twitter motion to compel production of documents. Twitter is seeking the turnover of texts between Musk and Morgan Stanley's James Gorman.
Wait. Before we continue, I would like to let you in on a secret. Today we are inviting you to join the best signals provider in the industry, where we are giving away our rocket science picks of Forex, cryptocurrency, and stocks daily. It's 100% free. Don't wait any longer, we're closing the door soon. Go to signal.com. The link is in the description. Now we continue back to our video.
Last Thursday, McCormick said she would allow Musk to amend his counterclaim to bring in facts around Twitter's TWTR $7.75 million severance payment to whistleblower Peter Mudge-Co., though she said she would give hearing to Twitter's counter-request for additional discovery about early contacts between Musk and Zco, a bid that Musk is resisting. That and other discovery issues are set to come up in Tuesday's hearing, set for slightly more than 3 hours, and which may not result in an immediate ruling. Twitter stock was flat on the day as the hearing began. Monday was set to bring some key developments with depositions of Musk and Twitter, TWTR, CEO Parag Agrawal, but both of those will come at a later date. Musk's deposition has been rescheduled for October 6th to 7th in Delaware, though that may yet be a placeholder. Updated 3:08 p.m., the hearing has taken a halfway break, after spending the first half focused on Musk's discovery motions. As reported, the hearing on Twitter versus Musk et.al. was focused primarily on a number of discovery motions, in essence, each side trying to get their hands on more of the other side's documents with a trial looming. In Twitter's case, it's looking for communications tied to Musk's Zco-related amendments, and Musk's side is still pressing for more disclosures tied to Twitter's monetizable daily active user metric, MDAU, user active minutes, and the use of the term stickiness. For Musk's motions, one of them, on Slack message threads and production of account data, was moved. The remaining arguments centered on a few issues, including Musk's attempt to seek an order for all non-public documents containing the search term MDAU within 10 terms of the search term revenue, and some contention that Twitter may have been improperly withholding some documents as legally privileged. The first half seemed to spend its time in the weeds, with litigants poring over the issues but no key rulings for Musk as time starts to tick down in the case. The separate issue of Musk's texts with Morgan Stanley's James Gorman was supposed to have come up, but hasn't yet. Twitter stock, TWTR, has risen slightly, to a 0.3% gain. Updated 5:03 p.m., the hearing has wrapped up with little decided, largely a victim of trying to hit 8 major legal issues in one afternoon, and some incomplete issues at that. The issue of disclosing more of Musk's communications with backer Morgan Stanley was largely punted. I believe this motion was not fully developed at the time it was filed, McCormick said, though she says she doesn't fault Twitter for that, and she noted Morgan Stanley has agreed to provide logs that aren't fully completed. So I would like to see this process play out a little more and present it to me again in more granular detail, McCormick said to both sides. Similarly, a Twitter motion for discovery of documents from Musk's data scientist's analysis got bogged down in disputes over redaction that ran the hearing close to its scheduled end. The end of the hearing brought the most contentious, but also most rushed, portion, Twitter's motion toward sanctioning the Musk parties for an alleged deficient production of messages, specifically, on a disappearing message service signal. McCormick closed the hearing and took matters under advisement. If she responds in a typical time frame, there should be news-making rulings in the case within a day or two. After starting the hearing flat, Twitter, TWTR, stock closed the day up 1.4% and after hours rose another 2.1%, amid some frustrated words McCormick expressed toward Musk's team. Leave your comment below. The link to the original article is in the description. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. Thank you for watching.